Hello, this is Sandy Reese with StampItCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Welcome to another video tutorial. Today I'm doing a baby shower card. Now this card could also be for bridal shower, whatever you want it to be. But I wanted to do a fun baby shower card. So I'm using the Beautiful Moments stamp set along with the One Happy Family stamp set. I love all the sentiments in here. Super cute. But this one, Pregnancy, the Happiest Reason for Feeling Rotten, I thought was super, super funny and appropriate, as we, those of us who are parents know what that feels like. Okay, so we're going with some pretty subtle tones. I love this soft sea foam, so this is going to be our card base. I'm just going to fold that in half. And then I'm also using, let me get it here, this is the Stitched Greenery die. So it doesn't cut anything out. It just makes this beautiful stitched leaf pattern on the paper. So I'm going to use a little of the soft sea foam and a blending brush. And what I want to do is make kind of a soft ombre look, starting at the bottom. This is very light ink, so you really got to get in there if you want to start off kind of at a darker shade. And then we're going to just go up with a very light green. And then doing this kind of helps to make all those fun stitched leaves pop out a little bit, even if you're just doing lightly on the green. Let's get just a little more color down here at the bottom. And have it going up. I think that's it. I just want very soft, I want a very soft, pretty card. Okay. So next I've got to have a little bit of bling here. So we're going to put a strip of gold foil paper just right about here, not too far up or down, right there. And then I'm going to tie this pretty, what color is this? It's Flirty Flamingo with gold in it. I'm going to tie this around in a bow. This is really pretty ribbon. I've used it on a couple of projects, but not a lot. So I wanted to do it on this card. All right, I'm going to tie it just a little bit tighter. Let's see. This is kind of bowing my card in. That gives me enough room to tie my bow, hopefully. And then I can play with it a little bit. And if I need to scooch it around a little, I can. Okay. I need to trim off a bit this ribbon here. Cute. Okay, I'm going to adhere this. We'll go ahead and stick it down. I put a little tape over it, just to make sure it stays where it's supposed to. Okay, peel my fingers off, and then just layer this on the card front. So pretty already. Okay, I have a lot of stuff here. I don't know why I have so much stuff. Okay, so I've die cut a circle out of basic white and then a soft seafoam scallop circle. This is from the Layering Circle dies. We're going to take this single girl image here and stamp her on our circle with some Memento ink. That looks good. I have her, the whole thing won't fit on there, but as long as we get most of her on there, that's the important thing. All right, now we're going to do just a little bit of coloring. I've got, let's see, what colors do I have? I'm going to just do her skin tone with the light petal pink. And we do have 5 new sets of skin colors, which are really great. I have them all out in different boxes right now. So I'm going to use Light Flirty Flamingo for her dress, because this kind of matches the ribbon that we used. And I don't want to color over all the little flowers there, or weeds, or whatever it is she's collecting. Okay. All right, now hair could be, you know, any of the browns that we have, or we could use, I'm going to use this one, Light So Saffron. I'm going to make her blonde. Just some light yellow hair to go in here. Okay, very quick. And then I have some soft sea foam. I think this is the dark one. And I'm just going to add a little bit of color here. And I'm not even worrying about getting it in the lines. It's just kind of, you know, kind of a suggestion of color, more like. All right, so let's adhere this to the circle. These circle, it just has a little bit of that scallop around it. Super sweet. And we'll just use a few dimensionals to pop this up. I think I'll do 4 because it's a good size circle. All right. And let's see. I'm going to put this right here, centered on my gold foil. Whoops. I got a little adhesive there. Oh, pardon my arm. I'm going to reach in here and grab my adhesive remover. Okay, perfect. Okay, now I have one more strip of the soft sea foam. So we're going to stamp our sentiments. Now, you could do this, you know, of course, as a bridal shower, or you could do birthday card, whatever you want to do. I'm going to stamp it a little bit to the right. Maybe down just a little bit. Oh, better. Okay. Pregnancy. Let's stamp the inside. I've got the happiest reason for feeling rotten. You could even just send this when somebody tells you they're having a baby. You could just send them this. It doesn't have to be for a shower. Okay, so now we've got pregnancy for the front, and I'm going to flag this, just one side, on the P side. P for pregnancy, and this is what I'm looking for. I'm going to pop this up. It's going to overlap, so I'm not putting my pop-up all the way over to the right, because that's going to overlap a little bit on our circle. Just put 2 there. And then overlap the gold and the white just a little bit. Now, you can also, I like Wink of Stella with a little extra glitter, so I'm going to glitter the dress just for fun and just give it that special little oomph to go with it. Cute! Can you see? I don't know if you can see the glitter on that. It's very sparkly. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed the card today. I will post measurements on my blog, so you can click the link below. And thanks so much for stopping by. I will see you next time. And I guess that's it. All right, bye-bye.